The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County, northwestern Chambers County, southwestern Liberty County, and northeastern Harris County until 5:45. At 5:02, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Houston or near Kingwood, moving south at 15 miles an hour. 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail are associated with this storm, and locations impacted include, but are not limited to northern Baytown, Barrett, Highlands, Channelview, Crosby, Patton Village, Roman Forest, Wood Branch, Plum Grove, Atascocita, Houston Gardens, East Houston, Lake Houston, and Lake Houston Dam, along with Hunterwood, Sheldon, Eastville, York, Homestead, and Settegast. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for southeastern Montgomery County, northwestern Chambers County, southwestern Liberty County, and northeastern Harris County until 5:45. This concludes this broadcast of the Emergency Alert System. Stay tuned to this.